I'm going to do a white omelet with mushroom, spinach, provolone, and tomato.
Home fries or Brit?
Home fries. And you have the ability to do like a side stack of the
I can do a short stack for you. That's 2 pancakes.
Perfect.
I'll get that in and I'll bring you out some more coffee.
Thank you. Right here. There's a Howley's breakfast.
That's
yeah.
Howley's breakfast. The first time we ever did it was at Southern Kitchen. And after the second time, we knew that we had to bring other people with us to experience this. So Daisy is lucky number 10.
So you used to work in the restaurant biz?
I did. I started off with sprinkles, ice cream, and then bartended. And I love talking to people. I love meeting people and listening to people.
We are ready, no rush.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So what are we going to do this time, Guy?
Well, we're going to give Brittany a tip right now.
Mm-hmm.
And
Like a regular tip?
like a regular tip, a regular good tip.
A regular good.
We're going to give her a 30% tip.
He's a giver.
She'll be none the wiser that Daisy is going to greatly sweeten that.
Are you excited? Yes, so excited. Can't wait. This is going to be a game changer. China.
There she is, right there. You're welcome. Take care. Thank you. Okay.
Oh, wait. Brittany!
That way.
There she is.
From Kind Diners and November.
We want to show our appreciation today. It's National
Oh my
Show
God, I was just
Appreciation
telling Jeff
Day.
that would be awesome if I could win
Wow,
that.
here we go. All members appreciate you. Thank you for all your service.
Thank you.
We love you.
Love you.
Good work.
And just because you had that superpower of being able to remember everybody's order, we should have doubled that. Next time.
That was so awesome. That was so awesome.
Amazing.
Right? Another day for Daisy.
Tears of happiness.
I have goosebumps. I can't stop with goosebumps. Thank you guys.
You deserve it. You can't. Like the cheeks.
The smiling will never go away. Yeah.
It's heartfelt.
Thank you, Jazz.
Thanks.
You're right. Everyone should experience that. Smiling's my favorite.